Okay, Matt, it is about that time this week. We're going to wrap things up with our one to watch. What is the stock that you'll be watching this week?
It's not really a financial sector stock. I'm looking at Amazon.
Oh my!
We talked about them quite a bit. They're down roughly 25% from the highs, and I think that their new payment system is going to have some traction. Like I said, I personally think that PayPal and the others are going to lose a little bit of their growth trajectory because Amazon has a big existing customer base for this to really play well with. And not just because of that, I think Amazon's a good value. I thought Amazon was a pretty decent value at about $2,000 a share.
Yeah.
So I really think it's a good value now. And there's talk of them, offering some kind of co-branded checking account product. So maybe they will be a financial sector stock after all. But I love Amazon this week.
Yeah, I put nothing past them. That's a good one. I'm going to go with Tiffany this week. Ticker is TIF. And I know this may seem a little bit of an odd pick because it's not directly a financial, but I've covered Tiffany for a number of years now. And what I have found is that Tiffany is a very good indicator of how the economy is doing and how the market thinks the economy is going to be doing here in the coming quarters. And we're, of course, at a point right now. What we're in right now, Matt, is what I like to call the Larry David economy. Everything is pretty good. And I hope that will continue. But I think on Wednesday, when Tiffany's earnings come out, we'll get a better idea. Management recently had raised guidance last quarter, which was impressive, I thought. They're going to be investing a lot in their New York flagship store here in the coming year. And that really does matter for a company like Tiffany that depends on that physical presence. And what they do that I think is just so phenomenal, they really protect that brand so well because it is a luxury brand. They don't resort to fire sales. You're not going to find big Cyber Monday half-off deals with Tiffany. They protect that brand and again, do a very good job so that when times are good, like they are right now, the stock feels it, and it looks like it's feeling it right now. When times get a little tough, certainly the stock feels it again. And honestly, I think that's where investors need to consider potentially investing in a business like this is when times get a little bit tougher. And I'm sure on Wednesday we'll get a better idea of what management sees coming around here for the next full year. Certainly the holiday quarter guidance, just a lot of things you can glean from this luxury retailer in Tiffany. So we'll keep an eye on it.